All right.
This is comfortable in it.
This is nice.
I tell everyone this is my favorite room in the house.
It'd be nice if you had a theater right there.
Well, okay, so the other thing I do, I have that projector is set up to project onto the sliding glass window.
Oh,
and
rear projection, flip it.
Yeah, it's set up to do that.
Wow.
And I have a piece of projection material, but it's real cheap. It's from one of those $60 Home Depot Halloween projectors. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It basically is a shower curtain.
Yeah.
And I can tape it up on there, but I can literally get the sound through those two speakers. And the only problem is I got the the frame for the sliding glass door.
Yeah, but it gives you the experience.
Well, yeah, there's just that one break in the picture where the frame is. But it's about an 80-inch image on there, and it actually looks pretty good.
That's awesome.
So it is one solution. But honestly, I come out here with my little iPad. I get some guacamole and some chips in my iPad, and I come out here and I listen to the news or something, or watch a little Netflix.
That's your beach.
And that's okay, too. So the small screen is all right as well. but you know what? If you got a group of people,
it's nice to have a little more.
Yeah. So that is, I could show it to you. It's set up. Although I'm not sure where the screen material is.
I don't think we need to do that. We'll just talk about.
That's a little. Yeah. That's still too experimental.
Yeah. What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm out here with Chris.
Hello.
From JVC. We are just relaxing, enjoying,
listening to some birds,
enjoying nature, in the beautiful day, throwing around ideas of how we can deliver a home theater experience to everybody in America.
Yes, let's do that.
Well, the world would be great too. But we'll start with America.
Not everyone has a theater, right?
Yeah, so that leads us into like older homes, spaces that just, homes that don't have a theater dedicated space, which is a lot of homes out there. I mean, we're based in Texas. We're like, it's just every single house has a theater, but that's just not the reality for most of America.
Here in Colorado, I did not have a space.
Yeah, so that's the point of this video, is we're going to discuss ways to give yourself that theater experience in a situation that is less than ideal. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up. We're about to get into it.
So Zach, I don't exactly have a house that's meant for a projector, but I'm a projector guy, and I don't want to settle for a 60-inch screen, so I had to do some serious thinking. Okay. You want to see what I came up with?
I'd love to.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back in. So we're going to come back in here, and we're going to show you what my solution was.
I'm ready.
And so the first thing we're going to do is close the sliding glass door. And then we got the blinds. And then I can't begin to tell you how many times I've been standing in this exact area and people have gone, I thought you had a home theater. Well, we do. Check that out. And let's fire up the video. And now this is with all the lights on, and it's still looking awesome. I'm gonna just turn out the lights that are right over the projector, leave all the other lights on in the room, and have a seat.
I mean, this is perfect.
And so this is equal parts amazing JVC projector and Screen Innovations Slate 1.2 motorized screen. So this is a 120-inch screen. What do you think?
What do you think? I think I didn't even know there was a theater room in this house. And now I'm looking at a stunning, beautiful theater experience.
Right. I couldn't put a 100-inch flat panel in this room. It just wouldn't work. But a motorized screen, I can push a button and there it is, and I can push another button and it goes away.
That is awesome. The patio is right there, guys.
Yeah. And if you notice, I've got light-colored walls. I got a light-colored ceiling.
This is definitely not a dedicated theater room.
Absolutely. But look at that picture.
Bam!
Here we're looking at 3,000 lumens on a 1.2 gain Slate screen. This is ambient light rejecting, so it's not affected by the majority of the light in this room is not interfering with the picture. It's giving me enhanced contrast, so better black level, better overall picture quality. And when I'm done with it, push another button and it goes away.
All right, thanks for sharing that with me. That is so cool.
I think it's a great solution. I think it's nice because you get a multi-purpose room. You've got a living room when you want it, and you've got a theater experience or a huge TV experience when you want it, and you push a button and that TV just magically rolls up and disappears.
It's a twofer.
It is.
I love it. I can't tell you how many people call in looking for inspiration with how to work with their situation. I hope that you guys found this inspirational and bringing a theater into your own home. We're trying every day to come up with intuitive solutions, and with JVC, and then we got Screen Innovations, my favorite screen company in the country. I mean, we got the solutions. If you guys would like to purchase anything, looking for a little consult, call in. We offer a free design service, absolutely no cost. All we ask that you buy from us. And we guarantee the lowest price with itemized, transparent pricing on every single item. Does it get any better than that?
Nope.
It would be better if they had this in their home, though. It's what you guys need. I feel it. Anyways, if you like the video, I want a big thumbs up, and I want you to smash that subscribe button down below. We got a ton of videos coming for you guys, and until next time,
there you go.
This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater and Chris with JVC. Thanks for watching.
All right.
Cool.